Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have an unboxing to share with you from Diamond Art Club. This is part of a pre-order that I did July 25th, shipped out August 25th. So these are not new diamond paintings, they're just ones that they put in the pre-orders and restocked. And I wanted to get this one unboxed first because I'm going to try to participate in the Chuckalong with Mindy's diamond painting moment and Kiss My Krafts Maritza. So this is gonna be my first time participating in something like that, but I'm gonna try. This is obviously a Chuck Pinson because it's for the Chuckalong. So this one is Catching Dreams. So pretty. It's a square, or sorry, square. It's a round diamond painting. Round. What is it? 71 by 56. Round shape. Catching Dreams by Chuck Pinson. I didn't really want to do the other one first just because it was super beachy. I know this one's still beachy. All the ones that I've gotten are summer ones, but you know, it's kind of the ones that I like. All right. Is that everything? No, my big sticker is in there. There we go. All right. So as usual, we have the diamond painting kit for round. Just show you guys quickly what's in it. We have a clear tray with a spout, a couple of baggies. There's 2 pink waxes. There's one still in there. We have a blue squishy and a blue pen. Nothing new. And then we have our big sticker with our image and all of our drills. It looks like this one has 2 ABs. And there's our little sticker. Now I just decided that I'm going to keep these out and store them separately, and that way I know, without having to pull the boxes out and look at them, which paintings I have. And I can just flip through the sticker sheets. Obviously, if the sticker sheet's not there, it's because I've already used it to kit up a diamond painting. Oh, this one is not as soft and fluffy. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but it's not as like fluffy on the back. It's just smooth. Instructions if anybody needs them. Drills. This one, I want to say it's harder to see charted, to see all the detail that's in the image because of all the symbols. I think it's still going to look gorgeous when it's done. It's just hard to see that here because it just looks like a ton of confetti. Look at this confetti. Confetti, confetti, confetti. I have not done a painting with a lot of confetti in a while, so it's gonna be interesting. I feel like you guys can't really see, like there's a little house on the side here and some lamp posts, and then there's more rooftops, and then we've got the big sailboat, small sailboat that's sailing away, and then there's a little boat on the side over here. That's a boat. The masts are up there. And then there's some beautiful hills and clouds and some seagulls in the top corner. So it's really hard to see, especially with the glare, and it's hard for me to hold up. because it's so big. This is very complicated. There you go. That sailboat's gonna be really pretty, but look at the sky and the seagulls in the top right-hand corner. I think it's gonna be really nice. Beautiful. All right, you just flip it over. We'll pull out the drills here. A lot of really pretty colors. And I'll start with the big baggies. Really dark brown. Some beige colors. More browns. So I think it's going to be a really earthy tones to me. That's kind of why I picked this one more than the other one's more Caribbean. Which will just make me want to go away. We've got like really earth tones there. One little bag of 310. Pretty yellow. Orange, purple. There's Halloween for you. It's gonna be nice. Some grays, really bright yellow. And we've got some greens. Another like clay tile. And more beiges there. And then in our little baggies, some gray, more green, beige. Here's our AB. So we have 134, which is the green AB. Look at that beautiful sparkle. And then the 141 is the white AB. So pretty. That beautiful baby blue and that green. Love that green. Navy, purple, more burgundy, more purple. Got some reds and baby blue and ultramarine blue. So let's see where those AB colors are going to be. So the first one is number 1 green, and the number 2 is the white. So we're gonna have a sprinkling all in the flowers and the bushes. It's number 1, number 1, number 1, 111, just the highlights of the bushes. And some more over here in these bushes. Got some up here. And the palm trees up here. And number 2 is our seagulls. So our seagulls are going to be AB. Those 3 little seagulls up there. There's a little spot of AB here, which, oh, that is another seagull. So right down here on the ground, there's a seagull sitting on or flying into the ground, and there's a couple sitting over here. So yeah, everywhere there's a seagull, we have some AB. So there's a seagull on a post here. There's 2 sitting on the ground, and this one's flying in, and then we have the 3 flying in the top. So they all have AB on them. And then a little bit in the highlight in the water. That's going to be really pretty. Beautiful. So again, that's called Catching Green Dreams from Diamond Art Club. I will have all the links down below, and if anyone is interested, check out Mindy's Diamond Painting Moment or Kiss My Krafts. They are doing the Chuckalong, which starts September 1st. All right, that's it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.